everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are at that time of the month. We have the KnitCrate unboxing and I'm very excited about it. I didn't look at the sneak peek. I don't know what I'm getting, so this is exciting. I just decided that I want to be surprised, so I haven't been looking. I didn't even look on KnitCrate's Instagram because I just wanted to have a bit of a surprise. But this is the membership KnitCrate and this is for the month of April. Okay, so as you can see, KnitCrate is a yarn subscription box. You pay every month, a certain month, depending on which subscription you go for, artisan, sock or plain membership. And then every month you get this beautiful box, and inside you have amazing yarn and patterns. And if you're going for the artisan KnitCrate, then you get something extra. And if you want to look through the past ones that I've done, then I will link down below the playlist of all my KnitCrate unboxing, and you can see there what are some of the things that come, as well as wool and patterns in the artisan KnitCrate. But this is a plain membership. This is their basic one, and it usually comes with 2 skeins and loads of patterns, and we'll see the patterns in the little booklet that they have. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So when the box opens, it says, "I'm ready for my close-up. Snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of KnitCrate and post it to Ravelry, Instagram or Facebook, and do this hashtag, unravel your KnitCrate." And you can get 3 months of KnitCrate, which means 3 boxes for free. And it usually comes with this beautiful tissue paper. Sometimes the color is different, but I've been enjoying this for the last couple of months with the little dots, and I think it's just nice when they give it an extra thing. It's not just thrown all together, it's beautifully packed. And then you open and there it is, and I wish you could touch this wool. Let's go ahead. Oh, I see, now I know why it's so soft. So you get 2 skeins of 100 gram each of wool, and sometimes you can get fingering weight, worsted weight, DK weight. I think this one is a DK weight, yeah. And it's by Odin Wools, by KnitCrate. This is their in-the-house yarn. And the colorway is Leaf Eater. Ooh, I like it. I like this color. I've had similar colors. This is like KnitCrate color, I would say. The same color. So we have 85% merino wool and 15% cashmere. That's why it's so soft. Oh, I love it. This would do a beautiful baby sweater or cardigan, or obviously if you want to knit a shawl, or we'll see what patterns we've got in the leaflet. So it's a DK weight yarn, 302 yards, 276 meters, 100 grams. The suggested needle size is US 3 to 5 or 3.25 to 3.75 millimeters. I have to say I could easily knit this with 4 millimeters and it will still look gorgeous. Hand wash only, lay flat to air dry. All Odin wool yarns are made exclusively for KnitCrate. So if you want this wool in particular, this particular wool or the other colorways that they do for this month, I will leave a link down below where you can go to KnitCrate and place an order and get 20% off with code TEO20. So just follow the link that I'll put in the description down below, and you can get your hands on this this yarn. Hopefully they're not sold out because they usually sell out quite quickly, but you could just order the yarn. You don't have to subscribe. You can just order as like in a normal shop. And oh, I love it. Let's see what other colors they have for this yarn. So this is the booklet, and usually you get here your patterns, and also you see what the other knit crates have. So this is our yarn, and I'm assuming this is the same in a different colorway. And then this might be KnitCrate, sock knit crate, and this one, and this one. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So inside the booklet you will get links to where you can download your patterns, and I'll show you. You can go to see their Ravelry group where they host monthly make-alongs. Don't miss out. Visit them on www.ravelry.com/group/knitcrate. And here we have a picture of this wool in the red colorway and the knitting pattern, the knitted shawl that you could knit with this yarn. And I think it's lovely. It's got some garter stitch, and it's got some yarn over like leaf motif there. Then the theme of the month is entomology. Ooh, there it is. Okay. So the one we have is called Leaf Eater, and then the other one is Ladybug, the other colorway. And you can see it's like a red because of the ladybug. What else do we have? Sock membership. Yes, one thing I didn't mention is that one skein retails for 26 US dollars per skein. So we have 2 of them. Do the maths yourself. But you pay $24.99 for this crate. So $24.99 US dollars. So you pay even less than what this skein is worth. That's so amazing about KnitCrate, that you get double the amount of yarn, and then on top of that you get loads and loads of patterns and discount codes and everything, and you only pay $24.99 for this KnitCrate. The artisan KnitCrate, I believe, is $34.99. You get some extra in there. To be honest, in my opinion, I would just go for the membership KnitCrate because you get nice stuff. You get your yarn and you get your patterns, and sometimes the extra that you get in the artisan KnitCrate is not that, I mean, it's not worth to pay £10 extra just for that little thing that you get. Because I have to say, I got the artisan KnitCrate quite a few times, and some of the things, I mean, I just tucked away in a drawer because I'm not going to use them. Some of them are maybe a pom-pom maker, a project bag. So if you're interested in those things, then yeah, you could go for artisan, but I prefer the membership KnitCrate, and that's what I'm getting every month. This is the sock membership KnitCrate, and that would be the yarn for it. So I think you will get like a stripy sock. We'll have a look at the pattern. So the first pattern, it's a crochet pattern, and it's this one. For the yarn, it's called Chrysalis, and I'm not gonna say that name because I don't know how to read it. But this is a crochet pattern, and it's amazing. Unfortunately, I'm not that good with crochets, so I'm going to do the knit. If I decide to knit with the yarn, their pattern, then I will do the knit pattern. And then here is the knitted pattern, and this one is knitted in the Ladybug colorway, and it's called Canopy, and I love it. I think it could be quite a beginner because it's just decreases and increase, actually just decreases some SSK, some knit together, I think, and some yarn overs and garter stitch. So it shouldn't be that hard to do this this shawl. But you get all the instructions and the charts for everything to knit this shawl. I like it. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. Sorry, the reason why I keep taking the booklet away is because I don't want to film the actual pattern, because it's copyright, so you kind of have to get your own KnitCrate in order to get it, to get the pattern. These are the socks, so if you have a sock KnitCrate, you would get the yarn to knit these socks, and they're called Undergrass, and I like them. They're very interesting. The cuff looks like it's knitted through the back loop. I'm working on something like that at the moment, on a pair of socks like that. Okay, so those are the socks. So far we have 3 patterns and the yarn, which is amazing. Here you get, on the last page, you will get the, I'm going to cover this with the wool. You get the featured designers. And what do we get? Oh, wow. There's an April pop-up shop, and I'm not sure what that is. But we have some more patterns here, and I'm sure that they are accessible to members. I like this one. Oh, I like that one. That's cool. I will leave links down below with everything. Oh, this might be the this might be another crate. That's nice. And on the last page, you get the theme peek for the next month. So May is going to be farmers market, and I'm so excited because look at all these colors. And I really wish that they will do like a hand-dyed yarn that has maybe all these colors: oranges, yellows, reds, blues, aubergines, because it would look so nice, and I would definitely need a pair of socks with that. But yeah, if you lasted this long with all my rambling, well done. This is the KnitCrate membership for April 2019. It retails for $24.99. You get 2 skeins of beautiful, beautiful wool and loads of patterns in the booklet. So follow the link that I'll leave down in the description. And if you want to buy wool, or you will get 20% of your first order with the code TEO20. Just follow the link and type in your code, and you will get 20% off your first order. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!